Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Creative P. I hope you guys are doing well. So for today's video, I wanted to go ahead and change this purple color in my hair to a different color, but it's only temporarily. So the first thing I'm doing is detangling my hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give my hair a quick shampoo. And today I'll be using the Suave Naturals Professionals. I saw these in the Family Dollar and I decided to go ahead, buy them, and give them a try. I have never actually used them before. So, right here, I have the shampoo in my hair, and my hair was feeling soft and I was getting a good cleanse from it. My scalp felt good and the hair was not too drying. Like most time you would use some shampoo and it would leave your hair like really stiff and hard, and I wasn't getting that from this shampoo. So yeah, I liked it and the smell was really great also. So now I'm gonna follow up with the moisturizing curl conditioner, and it on the bottle it say that it's made with shea butter and pure coconut oil, and those are natural ingredients that I use in my hair on a daily basis. So I felt that this was a good buy, and it say that it was created for natural hair. So while I was using it, I my hair was like really detangling just by using my fingers only, and the hair was really soft and the slipperage was great from this conditioner. So I would recommend these. Suave Professionals, and this video is not sponsored. This is just my opinion based from just using it. So I really like these. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and work the conditioner through my hair and then with my fingers, and after that I'm just gonna take a white tooth comb and detangle my hair a bit more. So I went ahead and I rinsed out the conditioner out of my hair with some cool water, and now I'm using this white tooth comb to detangle a little bit further. And so far so good. The hair was really feeling really soft and it wasn't too tangled, so I would say the conditioner was a plus in my book. So I applied some leave-in conditioner to the hair, and I do these big chunky twists because I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. I'm gonna straighten the hair a bit. I wanted it to be I didn't have the time to wait for my hair to hair dry, and I wanted the hair to be stretched a bit, so I decided to just use this blow dryer on like a medium setting and stretch the hair a bit. This blow dryer is like really great. I have had it for a couple of years, and it gets your hair like really stretched to the point where you don't if you're gonna do like a silk press out, you just need to like run the flat iron over here like once, because this blow dryer is like really great. And it's the Infinity Conair that I got it like a couple of years in CVS, and it's still great to this day. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to stretch the hair a bit until it's fully dried. So to achieve the color that I want today, I'm going to use this hair color wax. This is just a temporary color that completely washed out your hair when you shampoo it. So this one is by Style Factor. It does have two different colors in the jar. So the color that I'll be using is this copper color because I really want to change my purple to a brown color. So this is just to see how the brown color would look on me. So this is just like a trial really, and I wanted to do it temporarily first to see how it looks before I go ahead and do it permanent. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the brown, the copper, the brown just on the areas of my hair that has the purple. And I'm using my fingers, and it's okay, you can use a glove if you want to, but it just completely washes off your hands. It doesn't stain your fingers or anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work it through the hair in the areas where I have the purple color. So this is one half of my hair already completed, and I was loving it. I thought it was beautiful. The curl pattern was just amazing, and I was loving the looks of this brown color on my hair, and it was completely covering the purple. You wasn't seeing the purple bleeding through it. So I would suggest that if you want to put like a temporary color in your hair, that you try the hair color wax. And I was just doing this because I wanted to change this color purple to another color, and I was thinking about like brown blonde. So this was just to see like how it would look before I go ahead and do it permanently. And I have to say that I was really loving the looks of this. So I have to say that this is my go ahead to go ahead and do this color permanent in my hair because I was really loving it. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that this color suits me, or do you think that the purple is a better look? Just leave a comment below and tell me, give me your opinion. And after that, I went ahead and I did some twist with a little gel, and I take the twist out, and this is how it was looking. The hair wasn't looking as brown as it was in after I completed it, but that was okay because the hair, it was still looking great. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you for another video soon.